Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the top 7 new hyper-naked bikes of 2025. Number 7. Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS. The 2025 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS is a refined yet aggressive hyper-naked motorcycle, renowned for its thrilling performance and premium build quality. At its heart is a 1,160cc inline triple engine, delivering 177 horsepower and 92 pound-feet of torque. This potent engine, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a bi-directional quickshifter, offers effortless acceleration and an engaging ride. Triumph has equipped the Speed Triple with a lightweight aluminum chassis, ensuring nimble handling. Fully adjustable Öhlins suspension and Brembo Stylema brakes provide precise control and confidence, whether you're carving corners or cruising the streets. Its distinctive design features a muscular fuel tank, aggressive LED lighting, and signature twin headlights that exude character. The 5-inch TFT display offers seamless integration with the My Triumph app for turn-by-turn navigation, phone connectivity, and rider mode adjustments. Safety features like cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control are managed via an advanced IMU, ensuring a safe yet thrilling experience. Priced at $18,895, the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS 2025 offers a unique blend of sophistication and raw hyper-naked power. Number 6. Yamaha MT-09 SP Y-AMT. The 2025 Yamaha MT-09 SP is a hyper-naked motorcycle that redefines agility and performance. Powered by an 890cc inline triple CP3 engine, it churns out 117 horsepower, providing an exhilarating ride with an addictive mid-range punch. The 6-speed gearbox, equipped with an assist and slipper clutch and a quick shifter, ensures seamless power delivery and responsiveness. This model features Yamaha's renowned Delta Box chassis, ensuring unmatched handling. The SP variant comes with Öhlins fully adjustable suspension and upgraded braking components, offering a premium riding experience. Its aggressive styling is accentuated by LED lighting, a striking dual-eye headlamp design, and distinctive color schemes. The MT-09 SP also boasts advanced technology, including a 5-inch color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, customizable riding modes, and Yamaha's 6-axis IMU, enabling cornering ABS, traction control, and slide control. The Y-AMT feature, Yamaha Advanced Manual Transmission, allows semi-automatic shifting, a unique trait for this hyper-naked category. The 14 liters fuel tank provides decent range for spirited rides or urban commutes. Priced at $12,700, the Yamaha MT-09 SP Y-AMT 2025 offers innovation, precision, and sheer riding pleasure in a hyper-naked package. Number 5. Suzuki GSX-S1000. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-S1000 is a perfect example of a hyper-naked bike that blends performance and practicality. Powered by a 999cc inline-4 engine derived from the iconic GSX-R superbike, it produces an impressive 150 horsepower. This engine ensures thrilling acceleration and a top-notch experience for both city riding and highway blasts. The 6-speed gearbox, assisted by a slipper clutch and bi-directional quick shifter, offers smooth and precise gear changes, making it ideal for aggressive riders. The GSX-S1000 stands out with its aggressive design, sharp body lines, and full LED lighting, ensuring a modern and menacing road presence. Its ride-by-wire throttle system comes paired with Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, offering customizable riding modes, cornering ABS, and traction control. The 5-inch TFT display provides a vibrant interface, allowing riders to monitor performance metrics, GPS navigation, and more. Comfort-wise, the GSX-S1000 offers an upright riding position and a well-cushioned seat, ensuring a fatigue-free experience for longer journeys. At a competitive price of $11,909, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-S1000 is a solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a hyper-naked bike with a perfect balance of performance, features, and reliability. Number 4. BMW M1000R The BMW M1000R 2025 redefines hyper-naked performance with its race-derived engineering. Powered by a 999cc inline-4 engine, borrowed from the S1000RR, it delivers a jaw-dropping 205 horsepower. This power plant, paired with a lightweight design, propels the bike to astonishing speeds while maintaining precision and control. The M1000R features aerodynamic winglets for added stability at high speeds, a first in the hyper-naked category. The bike's chassis, optimized for track and street use, is complemented by semi-active Marzocchi suspension and Brembo Stilema calipers for unmatched cornering and braking performance. BMW's advanced electronics suite includes a 6.5-inch TFT display, GPS navigation, riding modes, and safety features such as cornering ABS, dynamic traction control, and launch control. The Shift Assist Pro ensures smooth gear changes, enhancing the riding experience. The aggressive yet ergonomic design caters to both sporty and long-distance riders. Priced at $27,000, with its sharp aesthetics, premium build quality, and 16.2 liters fuel tank, the M1000R combines practicality with high-octane thrills. It's the ultimate hyper-naked for riders seeking the pinnacle of performance and sophistication. Number 3. Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. The Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 2025 is a hyper-naked bike that brings track-ready performance to the streets. Powered by a 1099cc V4 engine, it produces an exhilarating 180 horsepower and 121 Newton-meters of torque. The unmistakable roar of its V4 engine enhances the thrill, making every ride an event. Aprilia's legendary chassis engineering ensures exceptional stability and agility. The Tuono V4 Factory features semi-active Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, which adjusts dynamically to road conditions for unparalleled ride quality. Brembo brakes deliver remarkable stopping power, and the advanced electronics suite, powered by a 6-axis IMU, offers cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and more. The aggressive design is paired with aerodynamic winglets, a sharp tail section, and full LED lighting. A 5-inch TFT display provides a host of features, including Bluetooth connectivity and Aprilia's MIA multimedia system. With a slightly aggressive yet ergonomic riding position and an 18 liters fuel tank, the Tuono V4 Factory strikes a balance between comfort and performance. Priced at $19,599, it's the ultimate hyper-naked for those who demand a thrilling ride and Italian craftsmanship. Number 2. Kawasaki Z H2 SE ABS. The Kawasaki Z H2 SE ABS 2025 is an absolute powerhouse, blending raw performance with cutting-edge technology. Its 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine generates a staggering 197 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful hyper-naked bikes on the market. This engine provides explosive acceleration, perfect for thrill seekers who crave adrenaline-packed rides. The Z H2 SE features Kawasaki's electronic throttle valves, enabling seamless integration with rider aids like cruise control, cornering ABS, and a sophisticated traction control system. The semi-active electronic suspension by Showa adapts to changing road conditions, offering unparalleled ride quality. Its Brembo Stilema calipers ensure precise braking performance, adding a layer of safety for high-speed runs. A 4.3-inch TFT display offers Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and customizable widgets for rider convenience. Priced at $21,700, the Kawasaki Z H2 SE ABS 2025 is a hyper-naked marvel that delivers raw power, advanced tech, and everyday usability. Number 1. KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO. The KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO 2025, also known as the Beast, raises the bar for hyper-naked motorcycles. Powered by a monstrous 1,350cc V-twin engine, it delivers 188 horsepower and 145 Newton-meters of torque. This raw power is paired with KTM's advanced electronics, providing precise control and explosive performance. The EVO variant features semi-active WP Apex Pro suspension, which adapts to every twist and turn, ensuring optimal handling. A lightweight trellis frame, along with sharp steering geometry, makes the Super Duke incredibly agile. Brembo Stylema brakes and cornering ABS ensure unmatched stopping power and safety. Its futuristic design includes aggressive lines, aerodynamic winglets, and an all-LED lighting system. The 5-inch color TFT display integrates KTM's My Ride app, offering navigation, call management, and riding mode adjustments. The 17.5 liters fuel tank adds practical range for spirited rides, priced at $21,499. The KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO 2025 is a hyper-naked masterpiece for those who live for the thrill. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.